First, take a picture of your vaccine card on your phone and send it to yourself via email. To upload your COVID vaccination card, you'll need to sign into FoxLink. You can do this at foxlink.rollins.edu or by going to Okta and clicking on the FoxLink button. Once you're there, on the Community tab, you'll see the Student Vaccination Reporting form. Click on that form and select the appropriate vaccination information for your experience. Be sure to enter the date of your final shot using the format shown on the right, and click to select a file to upload that shows the front of your vaccination card. Once you've selected the image, click Submit. You should receive a confirmation that you've uploaded your vaccine record. To upload from your phone, sign into FoxLink. On that first screen, you'll see the Submit a Vaccination Report item. Click on that and click the link. Then select the dose that matches your vaccine experience. Tap in the field and enter the date of your most recent shot. Then tap Choose File. Select the correct image when it appears that shows the front of your vaccination card. Then click Submit.